I love the MLM2 Pro. It's one of my favorite units for game improvement, but even back here, it is prone to being hit by a ball. Now, one of my subscribers sent this to me, but I had no obligation to make a post about it, but I do think it's really cool, so check this out. This is a full ABS shield for the MLM2 Pro. Crazy sturdy, absolutely no flex to it, and the idea is if it falls over, it's going to absorb some of the shock. It's got holes in the top for ventilation, holes for the power button and charging cable. Comes with a super quick set of instructions. I mean, there's not much to it. Now, I already got mine aligned, but it was really easy to just slide this over top. Comes with a thick 3/16 polycarbonate shield because I have seen these crack, and now we're ready to give it the proper test. If you have a garage set up with tons of concrete or even outdoors, somewhere where the balls are prone to bouncing a lot, one shank like this could have the ball coming back to you. And that was not an intentional shank, I promise. So this time I wasn't able to replicate a ricochet, but it does happen. And so because the front of the MLM2 Pro is glass, it's really nice to have this. Haven't seen anything quite like it, but when I did get offered some different samples from this brand, I thought this was unique enough to test out and share with you. Overall, good first impression. If you have a launch monitor, take the extra step to protect it. When I first had my MLM2 Pro, my old setup, got a lot of ricochets and bounces, and would have really appreciated one of these. Thankfully, I made it through unscathed with mine, but if you want that extra peace of mind, this is a pretty cool product. Check it out.